Today, in this video, I'm going to show you how to download and use a Projector app on an Android mobile. First, open the Play Store. Then, search for the Projector app. Here is the Projector app you need to install. After the download is complete, turn off your internet connection. Now, open the Projector app and tap on Next, 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 Next. Skip this option. Allow. Next. That's it. Finally, click on Screen Mirroring and start casting.